Minasan, konnichiwa! Kaycee desu. This is Introduction on Adjective Conjugation. Hello everyone, this is Kaycee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we will learn the two types of adjective and the adjective conjugation. Ano ba yung mga types ng adjectives? Ano yung use ng mga different types na to? Ano yung tinatawag na adjective conjugation? Paano ba mag-conjugate ng adjective in Japanese? Lahat ng mga tanong na yan, sasagutin natin sa video na to. And by the way, just to have an idea, I have a video on the top 25 adjective for beginners. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, please do check it out. The link is on the description box below. So are we all ready? Let's start!
There are two types of adjectives in Japanese. First is I adjective, or what they call I keiyoshi. And second, we have na adjective, or na keiyoshi. I adjectives has I at the end of the word. However, there are some adjectives that end in I but it is not classified as I adjective. Let me share some example for your reference. Oki, meaning big. Chisai, which means small. Atarashi means new. Furui, meaning old. Nagai, which means long. Mijikai means short. Hayai, meaning fast or early. Osoi, which means slow. And kawaii means cute. Notice that each word ends in I. Na adjectives, on the other hand, has na at the end of the word. Let's see the following examples. Ski, or the dictionary form, skina, means like. Kirai, or kirai na, meaning dislike. Shizuka, or shizukana, which means quiet. Nigiyaka, or the dictionary form, nigiyakana, means lively. Hima, or himana, meaning leisure or free time. Benri, or benrina, which means convenient or handy. Genki, or the dictionary form, genkina, means healthy or energetic. Shinsetsu, or shinsetsuna, means kind. And lastly, we have kirei, or kireina, which means beautiful or clean. Notice that the dictionary form of these words ends in na. And by the way, na is only needed in front of a noun.
Since we already know the two types of adjective, and we also give an example on each type, we are now ready to conjugate. Please be guided by the conjugation rule based on the type of adjective.
To conjugate I adjective for the present affirmative, we simply add des. And to conjugate the present negative, we replace the final I with kunai des. Kindly take note that we use des to make it in a formal speech. However, we can eliminate des if we are talking informally. Let's try these examples. First, we have atarashi, which means new, as mentioned earlier. For present affirmative, we say atarashi desu, or simply atarashi. For present negative, we say atarashikunai desu, or atarashikunai, meaning not new. Did you notice that we dropped the final I and replaced with kunai to negate the word? Next, we have kawaii. For present affirmative, we say kawaii desu, or simply kawaii. For present negative, we say kawaii kunai desu or kawaii kunai, which means not cute. And then we have i. For present affirmative, we say ii desu or simply i. However, there is an exception for this on its present negative tense. We say yokunai desu or yokunai, meaning not good. Notice that we add yo before kunai. Kindly remember this exception. And then for na adjective, conjugation rule for present affirmative is replace na with this. And to conjugate present negative, we replace the na with janai this. Just like how we negate a noun on earlier topic. Again, we use this to make it in a formal speech. Let's try these examples. First we have shizuka na, which means quiet. For present affirmative, we say shizuka desu or simply shizuka. For present negative, we say shizuka janai desu or shizuka janai, which means not quiet. We can also use ja arimasen to be more conservative and dewa arimasen in written language to negate the na adjective. Next example is genki na. For present affirmative, we say genki desu or simply genki. For present negative, we say genki janai desu or genki ja arimasen, meaning not healthy. And then we have kirei na. For present affirmative, we say kirei desu or simply kirei. For present negative, we say kirei janai desu or kirei ja arimasen, which means not beautiful or not clean. We will now move on with past affirmative and past negative. I adjective conjugate as follows. For past affirmative, we replace the final I with katta desu. For past negative, we replace the final I with kunakatta desu. We can simply replace it with katta and kunakatta respectively in an informal speech. We will use the following examples earlier. First, we have atarashi. For past affirmative, we say atarashikatta desu or atarashikatta, means was new. For past negative, we say atarashikunakatta desu or atarashikunakatta, which means was not new. Notice that we followed the conjugation rule. Another example is kawaii. For past affirmative, we say kawaikatta desu or simply kawaikatta, means was cute. For past negative, we say kawaikunakatta desu or kawaikunakatta, meaning was not cute. And then we have I. Please be guided by the exception on this word. For past affirmative, we say yokatta desu or yokatta, meaning was good. And then for past negative, we also have an exception. We say yokunakatta desu or yokunakatta, which means was not good. Na adjective, on the other hand, conjugate as follows. For past affirmative, we replace na with deshita. For past negative, we replace na with janakatta desu But we can also use じゃありませんでした to be more conservative or ではありませんでした in written language. Let's try with the same examples earlier. First example is 静かな. For past affirmative, we say 静かでした meaning was quiet. For past negative, we say 静かじゃなかったです or 静かじゃありませんでした which means was not quiet. Second, we have 元気な. For past affirmative, we say 元気でした meaning was healthy. For past negative, we say 元気じゃなかったです or 元気じゃありませんでした which means was not healthy. And lastly, we have 綺麗な. For past affirmative, we say 綺麗でした meaning was beautiful or was clean. For past negative, we say 綺麗じゃなかったです or 綺麗じゃありませんでした meaning was not beautiful or was not clean.
So that's it guys for the adjective conjugation. Medyo nakakalito para sa atin to, no? But we just need to take note of the classification or yung type ng adjective para ma-conjugate natin ng tama. Just keep in mind yung mga conjugation rule na na-discuss natin and then apply. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can share it then with your friends or sa mga kakilala ninyo na nag-aaral ng Japanese language. And please don't hesitate to leave a comment para sa mga questions and suggestions ninyo para sa akin. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck! Ganbatte kudasai! Arigatou Gozaimasu! Bye-bye! Jane!